The Andonstar AD407 Pro stands out as a cutting-edge solution, especially with its upgraded 12.5-inch metal stand. This article explores the remarkable features of the Andonstar AD407 Pro 7-inch HDMI Digital Microscope, available on Aliexpress, that elevate its performance in various fields. The AD407 Pro boasts a 7-inch display that delivers a perfect visual experience, eliminating the need for an external display for most users. The microscope itself becomes a comprehensive tool, meeting all visual demands effortlessly. With an industrial optical lens and a 4MP sensor, the AD407 Pro offers an impressive magnification of up to 270 times. The video recording resolution reaches 1080p at 60 frames per second, ensuring clarity and minimal latency. This fast-booting microscope captures every move under the lens with precision. The fine depth of field in the AD407 Pro creates a real 3D visual effect, enhancing the user's ability to perceive intricate details in their work. This feature is particularly valuable in fields where precision is paramount. The inclusion of a foldable bracket provides users with a significantly larger working space, offering flexibility and convenience in various applications. The AD407 Pro features an adjustable monitor with an ergonomic design, safeguarding users' eyes and neck during prolonged desk hours. This thoughtful design ensures comfort without compromising on functionality. The microscope offers a range of expansion functions, including time-lapse recording, grid lines, UV filter, imaging, video capabilities, IR remote, and screen freeze. These features cater to the diverse demands of professionals in different fields, making the AD407 Pro a versatile and comprehensive tool.